and sweet. Before anything else, I'd just like to say magandang gabi sa lahat. And I hope everyone is having a wonderful time tonight. Okay. Sabi, to live life to the fullest, one must immerse himself into selfless humanitarian service. Individually, we're just given two hands and just one heart. And that limited me in the past. Yun ang naging weakness ko in the past. Much as I want to give more, I know I can only do so much. But thankfully, I was given the chance to be part of the Fraternity of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, which by the way, happened to be initially just half aligned with my personal life principle. Because back then, my interest only was just to serve. Very, very skeptical on the idea of brotherhood. But that is history now. Now, I am overwhelmed. I am excited. I am grateful. But mostly I'm very, very humbled because I'm given the chance to serve side by side with these wonderful people here. And of course, with my very own club, the Republic Lady Eagles Club. Okay. I'm very, very personally proud of these women because these remarkable women have this pure heart, which are very hearts that are very unadulterated, with no personal interest, and with hands that are always ready to extend to help others. With that being said, with much pride and deep humility, I am accepting the position of the President of the Republic Lady Eagles Club because I know collectively I have now more hands, more than two hands, but just one heart. And that one heart beats only to serve our community and our country. Mabuhay ang NCR Region 29